Hello, today I want to pick an Agent LS5. It's a 12-pin high pin count lock from Japan. It has two rows of pins, one in the top left, one in the top right. It is full of mushroom spools, I think. It provides plenty of counter rotation. Also, the pins here are very cramped. They are sort of interlocking in a way, like that. So there's not a lot of space to maneuver, and also this keyway is a bit thinner than most other high pin count locks from Japan, so it's not trivial for sure. So let's try to pick it then. Alright, right row 1, binding, nice click, left 1, come on, okay, nice click, right 2, counter rotation, click, previous 2 pins dropped, 1 right, one left, alright, so 2 on the left is a 0 lift, so we leave it as it is. 1 on the right is good, 2 on the right is good. Now it's 3, click, nice, nothing dropped. So 1, 2, 3 on the left is blocking the pick. Let's try to set it. Okay, good click out of it. 1 on the left dropped. Let's try to set that. Okay, good click. Let's go to the right. 1 good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4. Okay, I think 4 on the left. Okay, we've got a click, but 1 on the left dropped. There's a lot of dropping in this lock, so it's fine. Okay, it's set again. Let's go for the right row. Now 1's good, 2 is good, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good. Now it's gonna be 5. Okay, it has been set. Let's 5, 6. Wait, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good. I think 5 isn't set yet. Okay. It hang up just before the Bible, probably on the white part of the pin. 1 on the left dropped, so let's correct it. Come on. Okay, we have set it. Okay, let's check the left row now. 1 is good, 2 is a 0 lift, so it's good. 3 dropped. Come on. not a lot of space in this QA. And in between these pins, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is almost good. Yeah, 3 is fine. 1, 2. Okay, I think 3 on the right dropped. 1, 2, 3, no. Okay, that's 3 on the left. Hard to access for some reason. Okay, I think I have set it. 1 on the left dropped. Come on. Okay, left click. Okay, left row. Then again 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 seems good. That's 5. It means to set it. I heard some stuff dropping. Oh, it was 6 actually. Okay. Left row. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3. 3 has dropped. Okay, good click out of 3. 1 dropped again. I technically don't have to set it, I think, if it's dropping all the time. I could just leave it, but I don't want to. I want it to be set, so I have some more space in this QA. Okay, 1 on the left is set. 1 on the left good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 has dropped. I don't think that's set, but 1 on the left just dropped. Okay, 1 on the left is set again. 1 good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 isn't set. Okay, now it's set. Let's set 1 again on the left because it dropped. Okay. So, left 1, row 1, good, 2 is good. 3, now 3 on the right is blocking me, I think. Or is it 3 on the left actually? Something is blocking me. Oh, it's 3 on the left. Actually. 1, 2, 3. How to get to this pin? One on the left, dropped, again, it's set. It's not an easy block to pick. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good, 6 is good, only the right roller, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good. Is that 5? That's 6. That's 5. No, it seems okay. Is 4 okay? Four has been set. Something we have lost our full set, I think. Did we lose all the progress? I hope not. I don't think so, because one on the right is good. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 seems good, 4 seems good, 5 seems good, 6 seems good. Check left side, 1's good, 2 is good, 1, 2, 3. It's setting, I think. Okay, we have set 3, 1 dropped. Let's set it as well. Ah, nice. Oh my. Ah, very, very cool log and demanding, as you can see. Ping pong festival. Everything is dropping. There's not really space to work with, even with this rather small flag. Okay, that's awesome. Let's try to cut it and see these pins ourselves. Shoom. Ah. All right. We're gonna need a flathead first, I think, to remove the clip here. That's a clip like in Miwa, or a lot of Japanese locks. Yeah, let's start here. Bend this clip out first a little bit. Put something here to hold it. Maybe I shouldn't have. Can I take it like out like that? Nope. It's fucking clips. And that's what I want, but this groove seems deeper than in Miwa, for example. very frustrating, honestly. Okay, I think we have got it. We have got it. Finally. Do I have to unscrew this now? Or what? No. Just push. Ah. Alright, that's the housing, nothing special. There was this steel bar that was here, was blocking the rotation of this core. I hope these screws are not too bad. Oh, looks like they are. What am I doing? I don't have to unscrew this. I can just show you the pins. Okay, left side. Left side. Do you want to slide this way or the other way? Okay. One. You can see one on the left. I think I will actually just cover this with my thumb. Remove this and do it like that. Spring spilled, but not a big deal. It's drilled for 7 pins. Interesting. 3 springs in this chamber. Alright. Alright. every single of these pins is a steel pin. Drivers are mushrooms. All right. I think that's it for this side. Now this other side. Okay, and the same way once again. All right. All right, it's got. I can take a look at the pins. Every single one of these pins is a mushroom spool. Yeah, 12 pins. Quite a difficult lock to pick, in my opinion, at least for me. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, have a nice day and bye bye.